If you want to learn how to blur a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a blur effect, adjust it properly, and make sure it covers only the part of the video you want hidden. This is really useful for blurring faces, backgrounds, text, personal information, or anything else you don't want visible in your edit. And if this helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and make sure nothing is selected on the timeline. This is an important step because if you have a clip or layer selected, the effect may apply in the wrong place, or CapCut may show different editing options. So click away from any selected item and get back to your main timeline view. Now look at the toolbar and tap or click on Effects. Once that menu opens, choose Video Effects. This is where CapCut keeps the visual effects that can be applied directly to your footage. You'll see a wide range of options here, but for this tutorial, we only need the blur effect. Next, use the search bar and type blur. CapCut should bring up the blur effects available in the library. Select the blur effect you want and apply it to your video track. Once it's added, you'll see it appear on the timeline as an effect layer. Now comes the part that makes this useful. Drag the edges of the effect on the timeline to cover only the section you want blurred. If you want the blur to appear for just a few seconds, shorten the effect. If you want it to last longer, stretch it out to match the right part of your video. This gives you control over exactly where the blur starts and ends. After that, tap or click on the blur effect again so you can adjust its intensity. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see a strength slider, opacity setting, or other blur controls. Increase the intensity if you want a stronger blur, or lower it if you want the area to stay a little more visible but still softened. This is especially helpful when you want the blur to look clean and intentional instead of too heavy. If you're blurring something specific, take a moment to preview the playback and make sure the effect lines up correctly. You may need to go back and fine-tune the timing or intensity so it looks smooth throughout the clip. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the final result. And that's it. You've now learned how to blur a CapCut video the easy way. You opened your project, added the blur effect, adjusted the duration, and changed the intensity to fit your edit. This is one of those simple editing skills that can make your videos look much more polished and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.